Alrighty guys, what's up YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to rev match your RT. Woo! I'm gonna show you guys how to rev match this thing. And it's like when you rev match it, you want to like give it gas and downshift at the same time type shit. But it is like you gotta give it gas while down. It's like you gotta know when to do it though. You gotta do it almost like the same time, but not exactly the same time, because it's like you gotta shift before you hit the gas a little bit. If you know what I'm saying. So let's say, all right, I'm in third gear right now. I'm about to use that to shift. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the gas and then downshift like this right here. Well, downshift and hit the gas. Well, yeah, hit the gas and then downshift. I'm gonna show you guys like this right here. Hit the gas and downshift. Here you go. You see what I'm saying? And you get that rev limiter shift. Guys, again, I know I'm about to make this turn. I just did it right there. That is rev shifting, guys. When you rev the gas up and then you shift. So, yeah. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys a little more real quick. Hold on. Grab me something to eat. Y'all know I stay at Bowtime. Alright, I got my food. I'm about to grub on that mud. But yeah, man, how you downshift? Okay, this car's slowing down. They hit the gas. Yup. You see what I'm saying? That's how you, bro. You can rev. I'm finding out everything about these RTs. You can rev shift like that. I'm gonna do it again. Look, all the way behind them. See? Hit the gas and downshift, guys. You get that thing all the way up there. Yeah. People say I be bullying people on the road. They know that I do. Good morning to everybody. You feel me? You see what my gas said? I don't even care. I'm gonna down, y'all. Calm down a little bit. And I want to show you guys how I do it real quick. Just real quick. This is how I do it. When I rev shift, watch this pedal, my foot right here. This is how the gas pedal right here. Watch this. You see that? That is exactly how I'm doing it. That is exactly how I'm doing it. Hitting the gas while shifting. Literally hitting the gas while downshifting. Oh my God, this thing is popping hard. And I drive with my knees, so that's how I can show you guys and record at the same time. A lot of people don't know how to do that and still stay in the same lane. I'm gonna do it right now, watch this. You see that? Put my signals on. You see what I'm saying? This is how you do it now. Look, I'm trying to show y'all. If I get this but if I get that HELLCAT, I'm gonna show y'all now. This is how to drive. Look. Look, my other hand right here now. Look, come on now. Come on. You got the full video right here. Want me to downshift for you guys again? Look. You see what I'm saying? Downshift for you guys again. Let me let it slow down a little bit. Watch this. Stop playing with me. You got the full effect right here. Come on, stop playing with me. One more time. Hold on, let me let it, let's see it, shift not allowed. Now look, wait till shift allowed, then look. I can show you how to shift like a pro. Stop playing with me, okay? Come on. And this is an RT, by the way. By the way, I'm just letting you guys know. They trying to slow me down all the way, huh? They didn't like all of that. I'm sorry, guys, but I just had to show you guys how to, bro, I just had to show you how to shift, downshift, and all of that, man. So if you like the video, make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide, okay? As you see, I'm giving you guys epic RT videos. So just imagine if I had a SCATPACK or RT. I'm just saying, okay? Let me take this off sport mode, okay? Quiet it down. We're in the neighborhood. But yeah, I'm just saying, so stay tuned, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 3,000 subs, man. We hit 2K. Thank you, guys. Black Mumble, aka the realest YouTuber, aka DBK and the Hemi is out. Thank you guys for watching.